Now, for people who are perhaps a little bit not at the forefront of AI like myself, could you just explain exactly what this, how this affects the operation of LLMs? Are we speaking about, when we're speaking about prompts, often people think about yourself as a user entering a prompt. Is that the sort of thing we're talking about, or is this now a back end thing for developers?
Absolutely, absolutely great question there, Megan. Thank you for bringing that question up. So prompting is great for end users, but it's also useful in a very similar way for programmers as well. In order to program tools using AI, you write prompts in a similar way as you would write prompts on ChatGPT or Anthropic's window. Obviously, in the case of an end user, you have to enter the comments again and again, but Anthropic and ChatGPT make it easy by allowing you to save that data in the thread itself. So when you open a new thread, you would have that data from the previous things you had queried in there, which is great for the end user. But actually, when it comes down to programming, you send that previous information every time you query the AI tool, which is really annoying. And it's also time consuming and consumes money as well, because every time you call the API or you call the tool, you're sending all the data you had previously sent again. And every character you send, every time you send this information, there is a cost involved. And that can be, if that could somehow mitigate it, you could save a good amount of cash on generating new content for you using these AI tools. So what they've said is, instead of sending it back again and again, they'll cache it for you. That means we'll keep it in the memory. So we can keep the data which you sent before. You just send new data in, and you'll get the same answers, maybe even higher quality, by using cache information and newly entered information. Sorry, this is a little bit technical to
Yeah,
kind of
yeah.
talk about, but equally, I hope that makes sense that you can actually use your cached instructions from before again without actually entering it in time and time.